Brucey.
December 29th.
Come here. Come here, Brucey.
Oh, no, he's trying to lean.
Come here.
Oh.
Go to mama.
Come on, Brucey. Come on.
That was a good one.
Yeah, good boy.
Yeah, you're walking.
Let's go see Dada.
Come here. Come here. Oh, Brucey.
Goodness, are you getting tired?
Come on. Come on, Bruce. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Bruce. Oh, you sweetheart. He's a big boy. Want to try again? Let's walk. Let's walk.
Come here. Come here.
Good job. Come on. Oh, my God. Good job. Good job. You want to do it again? You want to go see Dada?
Go see Dada. Go see Dada. Come here. Oh, Brucey.
Look at him just taking off.
Just plop him down.
Uh-huh. You get him turned the right way and he's gone.
Come on. Just kind of push him.
There. Oh, that's precious.
Awesome. Come on. Oh,
Come on.
oh.
Said I'm tired.
I was going to say, y'all, let me rest a minute.